Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick little haul. I got some paint as well as I picked up a couple totes. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Got them from 3 different Walmarts. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I got a quick little tool haul or paint haul and containers. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up 30 cans of this Rustoleum Professional High Performance Enamel 15-minute fast dry. This stuff works great. I actually didn't need 30 cans, but I did have about 14 or 15 cans, and I've used all of those on about 5 or 6 different projects. Last project was touching up the frame on the 2000 Limited that we just picked up, a 4x4. When I took the steering rack and everything off underneath, I pressure washed the engine, transmission, the front diff, the frame, and a few other things. Let it dry, got as much oil and grease off of everything that I could, and then I painted the frame, about 94% of the frame, other than the from the front of the back tires and the rear lower control arms. The front of the rear lower control arms to the trunk I did, or the cargo area, or the bottom underneath all the way to the bumper, I did not paint. Everything from there forward I did. I ended up running out of paint. I only need 1 or 2 cans to do the rest of the truck, but I do have 2 Bilstein B8 5100 series shocks here. There's actually 4 here. These are the 24-249966. That's actually what traditionally a 2004 runner would need if you have 0 to 3 inch lift. I ended up buying the wrong ones because I realized that the Limited actually has a upgraded lift. It's actually got a 4 3/4 inch lift. So I ended up getting the 33-187174, which was superseded by these, which is 33-313146. Those are minimum 3.5 inch all the way up to 6 inch lift. I'm going to take the old ones off because they are blown and they're leaking. And when I take those off, I'm going to clean the body perches that the shock bolts into on the body, and get all the rust off of them, clean them up, degrease them, paint them, and then when I get to doing the rest of the back end, replacing the rear bumper support, the rear bumper brackets and everything that's rusted back there, I'm going to clean that up, de-rust it, and paint back there too. I'm also thinking about picking up some Par 15 to neutralize all the rust. But I did pick up 30 cans. There is 30 cans here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I just had them in these containers. Those are the other things I purchased. I was looking for 50 gallon, but I ended up finding those 40 gallons right there, so that will do for now. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm going to end up putting all these in the barn with all the rest of my paint. Because I usually buy things in bulk. This is probably about, if I remember correctly, it was 11 cans is like 70 bucks, so we're talking probably almost $200 worth of paint here. I don't remember. They're $5.97, something like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And they're all the exact same gloss black. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So I did pick up 30. I don't use them a lot. And sometimes, you know, you end up using the propellant and you end up with like a portion of a can that you can't use because the propellant is gone, but there's still paint in it. It happens. But that's what I picked up. It's an even amount of 30. I actually had to go to 3 different stores to get this amount. This paint sells really quick. I do have some of this in that is primer. That is gray primer. I have got probably 10 or so of those cans. I do have these in matte black as well, and I also have them in red and white. It's great paint. I wanted more or less to show you guys, not necessarily because it's a haul, but I wanted to let you guys know this is amazing paint. It works extremely well. I also painted the steps slash rock sliders, because it doesn't have its original steps. It actually has rock sliders that are pushed out a little bit for steps. I'm gonna be picking up different rims for that truck, because the rims that are on it, the old style Toyota rims that the truck came with, it has them. They got rust on them. And I like these Sterilite containers that you could pull these handles and lock the lids on. I buy a lot of these containers. I have a lot of the 50-gallon ones that don't have these large handles, that don't have like roller wheels. I figured I'd give this a try. One of these containers I'm going to put a bunch of Toyota parts in. These are going to go on the SR5 when the SR5 is completely restored after the wreck. They're going to throw those on. I also went to AutoZone, picked up some neoprene, liquid and water resistant seat covers, as well as a UV light. And I do have the original seat covers that I had in the truck. So I normally have 2 sets of seat covers, one that touches the seat at all times, and then one that goes over that set that I sit on. It just keeps things a lot cleaner. But what I want to do is these gray ones. These are like gray and blue. They're supposed to be gray, but they kind of turned purple from sun fade. These, I removed all the seat covers out of the SR5, so now the seats are exposed. Those seats are fabric seats, and they're this blue. I don't want the seats to get destroyed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of these specifically back on, and I'm going to put those on the SR5. That way the seats are at least covered, protected from the sun. Those are going to replace these, because I usually have 2 sets in a vehicle. And then what's going to go on top of those neoprene ones I just showed you are these camo ones that I sit on that are duck canvas. So just to kind of give you guys a little update, sneak peek of some other stuff. I took all those things, all the paint out of the bags. These 2 containers, they're $24 a piece. They're nice containers. I believe these are... Oh, I don't think there is a sticker on these. Oh, right here. So these are 160 quarts, or 151 liters. These don't specifically say how many gallons. I think these are, if I remember correctly, they're 50 gallon, or they're not 50 gallon, but they're 40 or 45 gallons, something like that. Just a quick video, guys. I got a little bit of mess to clean up. One of these I'm going to use for Toyota parts. I got lots and lots of Toyota parts for the SR5. I also, Monday, I need to go to the bank, put a couple grand into the account so I could purchase all the bumpers, the front left and right quarters, a grill, a hood, fog lights, turn signals, all the inserts, you know, the crush plate section of the bumper, and a bunch of other stuff. I got a laundry list of stuff I need to pick up for the SR5, and trying to just preserve the limited. I prefer to just stock up, spend $200 or whatever on some paint that I really like. This stuff is amazing. It works extremely well. If you prep the item, works flawless. Even if you don't prep it, if you just wipe it down and slightly clean it, get the dust off of it, this stuff works well. It even coats on rust, and it does have a protectant in it. This will convert rust a little bit, and it will help protect whatever you're trying to coat, but it's great stuff. I also have this Rustoleum Professional in the can where you can actually brush it on. It's amazing, amazing stuff. So I would definitely recommend this. Just wanted to give you guys some information and updates. You guys have seen me buy this paint before. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, people that dislike, the people that watch the videos, whether you're subscribed or not, people that just stop by the channel and check it out, as well as the people that use the affiliate links. I do get money off of that. You know, want to say thank you to the channel members, which are Polar Bear Ed, Lawn Care Juggernaut, and Blake's Automotive Restoration, or Restoration and Automotive. I don't remember how his channel is. I think it's Blake's Restoration and Automotive, if I remember correctly. They are the channel members. That is similar to Patreon. It's just integrated into YouTube. I want to say thank you to all the people that used to be a part of the Patreon. People that have sent money through PayPal, people that super chat. All the money helps. It always helps bring stuff to the channel. None of this or those containers on the floor were purchased with YouTube money. I purchased all of this with my own money. I will always let you guys know if I purchase something with YouTube money. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. You guys stay safe, stay dirty, keep your money clean, as Chad from CP the Tool Addict would always say. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!